Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will be discussing partnership accounts. Go to study note number 6, partnership accounts. I will be discussing admission of a partner. At the time of admission of a partner, certain adjustments are required. These adjustments are adjustment regarding profit sharing ratio, adjustment regarding valuation of assets and liabilities, adjustment regarding goodwill, adjustment regarding accumulated profits or losses, and adjustment regarding capital contribution of new partner and capital of existing partners. In this particular video, we will be seeing adjustment number 4th and 5th, that is adjustment regarding accumulated profits and losses and adjustment regarding capital contribution of new partner and capital of existing partners. Adjustment regarding accumulated profits, losses or reserves and surplus. If there is any accumulated profit or loss or other surplus, the same should be transferred to old partner's capital or current account as per old profit sharing ratio before admission of a new partner. So if you have any general reserve, profit and loss account, reserve fund, any accumulated profit or loss in the balance sheet, then it is to be distributed to old partners in their old profit sharing ratio before admission of new partner. Journal entries for the same. For transferring accumulated profits, profit and loss account credit if it has a credit balance, debit general reserve, debit any other surplus, debit to old partners capital account in old profit sharing ratio. For transferring accumulated losses, partners capital account debit to accumulated losses. We'll see illustration 6. X, Y and Z wherein partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their balance sheet stood as under: balance sheet as on 1st April 12, capital of XYZ, general reserve, machinery replacement reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, current liabilities, fixed assets, machinery replacement investment. Market value of investment is given 7,000, book value is 10,000, current assets 33,000. Show the entries for accumulated profits reserves assuming that Mr. T is admitted as partner for 1/5 share. Now, if you see on the liability side, there is general reserve. It is to be distributed to old partners in old profit sharing ratio. Similarly, investment fluctuation fund is having 15,000 balance, but market value of investment is 7,000, whereas book value is 10,000. So reduction in the value of investment is 3,000. So only 3,000 is to be kept in investment fluctuation fund and remaining 12,000, 15 minus 3, 12,000 is to be transferred to partners capital account, that is it is to be written off. Journal entries in the books of X, Y and Z. General reserve account debit 12,000, investment fluctuation fund account debit 12,000, 15,000 minus 3,000. Why 3,000? Because difference in book value and market value is 3,000. So 12,000 is to be written off from investment fluctuation fund. So balance 3,000 only will remain in investment fluctuation fund after admission of new partner. To X, Y and Z in their profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2:1. Fifth point, adjustment regarding adjustment of capital. When a new partner is admitted, the total amount of capital is determined on the basis of new partner's capital and his profit sharing ratio. On the basis of new profit sharing ratio, old partner's capital is to be ascertained. Thereafter, existing capital, after considering all adjustment, is to be compared with the capital so ascertained on the basis of new profit sharing ratio, and excess if any is to be withdrawn by the partner concerned, and deficit if any is to be brought in by concerned partner. Sometimes the excess or deficit is to be adjusted against the current account or loan account of the partner. So adjustment in capital balances is required. Sometimes old partners' capital is to be in new profit sharing ratio. That time there will be either surplus or deficit. It is adjusted either by bringing or withdrawing cash, or it gets transferred to either current account or loan account, whatever is given in the question. Accordingly you are supposed to do the adjustment. Now we'll see illustration 7. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 13 stood as follows. Capital account, reserve, creditors, bills payable, furniture, stock, bills receivable, debtors and bank. This is balance sheet. They agreed to take C as partner with effect from 1st April 13 on the following terms. A, B and C will share profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. This is new profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio is also given, which is 4:1. C will bring 20,000 as premium for goodwill and 30,000 as capital. So totally C is bringing 20,000 for goodwill, 30,000 as capital. 20,000 goodwill will be shared by old partners A and B in sacrifice ratio. So you need to find sacrifice ratio because both ratios are given, old and new. Old ratio minus new ratio is sacrificing ratio. Half of the reserve is to be withdrawn by the partners. See, general reserve is given 20,000. It is to be written off. That is, it is to be transferred to partners capital account before admission of new partner in their profit sharing ratio 4:1. Half of that, half of 20,000 is 10,000 is withdrawn by the partners. So they have withdrawn this partners capital account debit to bank entry for withdrawal of reserve. The asset will be revalued as follows. Furniture 30,000, appreciation difference 10,000 to be credited to revaluation account, stock 39,500, depreciation in reduction in the value of stock, decrease in the value of stock, difference to be debited to revaluation account, debtors 28,500, reduction in value of debtors, difference 30,000 minus 28,500 to be debited to revaluation account. A creditor of 12,000 has agreed to forego his claim by 2,000. So creditor has agreed to forego his claim by 2,000. So discount from creditors the company is getting. After making the above adjustment, the capital account of A and B should be adjusted on the basis of C's capital by bringing in cash or withdrawing cash as the case may be. So do all the adjustment and adjust capital account of A and B as per new profit sharing ratio, and whatever may be the difference which will get transferred to cash account. Show revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. In the books of A, B and C, revaluation account, buy furniture, increase in the value of asset is to be credited to revaluation account, buy creditors, decrease in the value of liabilities is to be credited to revaluation account, to stock 500, to provision for bad debts 1,500, decrease in the value of asset is to be debited to revaluation account. Profit 10,000 is to be distributed to A and B in profit sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio. Now we'll see capital accounts. Buy balance brought down, old capital balance of A and B. Buy bank, C has brought 30,000 as his capital. Revaluation profit to be distributed to old partners by revaluation profit 8,000, 2,000 by reserve. Reserve is to be written off, distributed to old partners in old profit sharing ratio 16,000, 4,000. Half of reserve is withdrawn. So debit side to bank 8,000 and 2,000. 10,000 reserve they have withdrawn. Now C has brought 30,000 as capital and 20,000 as goodwill. 20,000 goodwill is to be shared by old partners in sacrifice ratio. So it is necessary to calculate sacrifice ratio. I will show you the calculations. Sacrifice ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is 4:1, new ratio is 5:3:2. Age sacrifice will find out. Age old ratio is 4/5, new ratio is 5/10. 4/5 minus 5/10 is equal to 8/10 minus 5/10, which is equal to 3/10. B's sacrifice is 1/5, which is his old ratio, minus 3/10. 1/5 is nothing but 2/10. So 2/10 minus 3/10, which is equal to negative 1/10. So as B's sacrificing ratio is coming negative, it is not sacrifice, it is gain. So now see here, C has brought 20,000 goodwill for 1/5 share. So full value of goodwill will be 20,000 into 5, which is equal to 1 lakh. As B is gaining and not sacrificing on C's admission, for his gain, 1/10 he is gaining. His gain of full value of goodwill, that is 1/10 of 1 lakh, which is equal to 10,000, he is supposed to give this, contribute this to A in the form of cash, and for this journal entry is B's capital account debit to A's capital account, and amount is 10,000. Now we'll go back to capital accounts. Goodwill 20,000. C, just now we have seen A is sacrificing and B is gaining after admission of C. That's why entire 20,000 goodwill will be shared by A. It is to be credited only to A's account. B will not get any share because he is gaining. And one more additional entry you are supposed to pass, full value of goodwill into gain of B. Entry is B's capital account debit 10,000 to A's capital account 10,000. After passing all these entries, you are supposed to find out the new capital in new profit sharing ratio. We'll see adjustment or working note for this. Adjustment of capital. New profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. So C is bringing 30,000 capital for his 2/10 share. So A's new capital will be for 2 second share it is 30,000. His share is fifth. So fifth share is how much? For 2 if it is 30,000, for 5 it is how much? So A's new capital is 75,000. B's new capital for 2 it is 30,000. For 3 it is how much? Why? Because C's share is 2 and he is bringing 30,000 capital. So in order to bring their capital in new profit sharing ratio 5:3:2, taking base as C's capital, their capitals are 75,000 and 45,000 respectively. Now again we'll go back to capital account to balance carried down 75,000, 45,000. Just now we have seen this. C is 30,000. So these capital closing capitals are in new profit sharing ratio. Now you have to balance capital account and transfer the difference to bank. By bank 4,000 in A's account, and in case of B's account to bank balancing figure 14,000. So here in case of A, entry is bank account debit to A's capital account. A is contributing 4,000, and in case of B, entry is B's capital account debit to bank 14,000. B will be getting 14,000. Now we'll see balance sheet, furniture, stock, all revalued figures you are supposed to take. Debtors minus RDD, bills receivable, cash at bank will change. 40,000 is opening balance plus 50,000. New partners capital plus goodwill minus 10,000 withdrawal of reserve plus 4,000 contribution of A minus 14,000. This is given to B. Just now we have seen this in their capital accounts. Capital of A, B, C, 75,000, 45,000, 35,000. Creditors have foregone 2,000, so that is to be deducted, and bills payable. This is how this question is to be solved. Adjustment of capitals. Now we'll go to illustration 11. K and L are two partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Their balance sheet as at 30th June 13 is as follows. Creditors 30,000, reserve 14,000, capital of K and L 40,000, 50,000, furniture, patents, debtors less, reserve for bad debt stock and cash in hand. On 1st July 13, they take M into partnership. M brings 25,000 as his capital and brings 3,600 as his share of goodwill. New partner's share of goodwill is to be distributed to old partners in their sacrifice ratio. The new profit sharing ratio of K, L and M is 2:4:1. Old ratio is 5:3, new ratio is 2:4:1. Old ratio minus new ratio is sacrifice ratio. Patent is to be written off from the books. Patents are 10,000 to be written off from the book. Debited to revaluation account. And reserve for bad debt is created at 5%. See, reserve for bad debts is they have deducted 5,000 but they want to create it only 5%. 5% of 44,000 is 2,200. So reserve for bad debt should be only 2,200. Whatever excess reserve they have provided, that is to be written off. 5,000 minus 2,200 is to be written off. Reserve appear in the books of new form at its original figure. See, reserve on the liability side is 14,000. They want to maintain the same reserve balance after admission of new partner. So first write off the reserve, that is reserve account debit to old partners in old profit sharing ratio. Again raise the reserve, that is all the partners capital account debit to reserve in new profit sharing ratio. Show necessary journal entries to carry out the above transaction and prepare balance sheet of new firm as at 1st July 13. So they have asked you to prepare journal entries and balance sheet. In the books of K, L and M, bank account debit to M's capital to goodwill account. He has brought goodwill 3,600 and capital 25,000. So bank debit to M's capital to goodwill. Goodwill to K's capital. Goodwill is to be shared by old partners in sacrifice ratio. Here goodwill is only given to one partner K. We'll see the working note for this. We'll see how to calculate sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. For K it is 5/8 minus 2/7, which is equal to 35/56 minus 16/56, 19/56. L it is 3/8 minus 4/7, which is equal to 21/56 minus 32/56, which is negative 11/56. As the ratio is negative, L is gaining and not sacrificing. That is the reason why goodwill has been transferred to only K's account and not to L's account, but additional entry you are supposed to pass, that we'll see now. New profit sharing ratio is given, which is 2:4:1. So new partner's share is 1/7. For 1/7 share, M brought 3,600 as goodwill. Therefore, full value of goodwill is 3,600 into 7, which is 25,200. As L is gaining, just now we have seen sacrifice ratio is negative, that means he is gaining and not sacrificing on M's admission. For his gain, 11/56 of full value of goodwill, which is 25,600 into 11 by 56, you will get 4,950. This 4,950 is supposed to be paid by L to K. So for this adjustment entry is L's capital account debit to K's capital account and entry is 4950. So goodwill has been transferred only to K's capital account. Why? Because L is getting gain, he is having gain and not sacrificing. He is gaining and not sacrificing after admission of new partner. Reserve is to be distributed. Reserve account debit to K and L in old profit sharing ratio 5:3. But they want to maintain the same reserve. So again it is to be raised. All the three partners capital account debit, K debit, L debit, M debit to reserve in new profit sharing ratio. Revaluation to patents written off. Reserve for bad debts account debit to revaluation 2800. Why? Old RDD was 5000. They want to maintain 2200. So excess provision is to be written back. K's capital account debit, L's capital account debit to revaluation, loss on revaluation transferred. Capital account by balance brought down by capital of K and L. Goodwill only to K, just now we have seen. Reserve distributed, written off in old ratio, again raised to reserve 4000, 8000, 2000 in new profit sharing ratio. Then KL's capital account debit to K's capital account 4950. Just now we have seen this working note because L is gaining on the admission of M. So L is supposed to pay to K 4950. That is the adjustment entry. Buy bank 25,000. This is capital brought in by new partner. Revaluation loss to K and L in old profit sharing ratio, balance carried down. This balance will go to balance sheet. Furniture, debtors, see debtors, you have to be very careful. 44,000 minus 2,200. Stock, cash and bank, opening balance plus brought in by new partner, capital plus goodwill. Capital account, just now we have prepared capital account. These balances will go to balance sheet. Reserve 14,000 is to be maintained. They are not writing it off. And creditors. This is how balance sheet is to be prepared. You have to be very careful while calculating sacrifice ratio. If any partner is getting gain ratio, then do the adjustment accordingly. If reserve is to be maintained at the old balance, then first write off the reserve in old profit sharing ratio, then again raise it in new profit sharing ratio. Now we'll go to illustration 12. Red and white are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. On 1st July 13, the position of the firm was as follows. Capital account, general reserves, sundry creditors, building, machinery, furniture, stock, debtors and cash. This is the balance sheet, assets and liabilities. Blue joined the firm as partner from this date and the following terms and conditions were agreed upon. Red, white and blue will share the future profits of the firm in the ratio 5:3:2. Old profit sharing ratio is given, which is 3:2. New profit sharing ratio is given, which is 5:3:2. Sacrifice ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. Blue would first pay 10,000 as his share of goodwill and this sum is to be retained in the business. This sum is to be retained in the business means they have not withdrawn this goodwill. So 10,000 is to be shared by old partners red and white in sacrifice ratio. The value of machinery is to be increased by 20,000 and stock is to be written down by 10,000. Revaluation credit 20,000, revaluation debit 10% of 60,000 which is 6,000. Blue would introduce such an amount of capital in cash which should be proportionate to the combined capital account of red and white after making all adjustments. So after doing all the adjustments, that is transfer of reserve, revaluation profit or loss, whatever may be, then new partner's goodwill. After doing all the adjustments, whatever combined capital you get, that proportionate capital new partner is supposed to bring. He should bring in cash proportionate combined capital of red and white after making all adjustment. It was decided that capital account of red and white would be adjusted on the basis of blue's capital by opening current account. Show capital account of the partners and balance sheet of firm after blue's admission. Capital account balance brought down. Opening capital balance of red and white. General reserve, it is distributed to old partners in profit sharing ratio. Goodwill is to be distributed, whatever goodwill brought in by blue is to be distributed to old partners in sacrifice ratio, which is 1:1. He has brought 10,000 as goodwill. So 5,000, 5,000. See this sacrifice ratio. Old ratio is 3:2. New ratio is 5:3:2. Red's sacrifice ratio 3/5 minus 5/10. 6, which is equal to 6/10 minus 5/10, which is equal to 1/10. White's sacrifice 2/5 old ratio minus 3/10 new ratio, which is equal to 4/10 minus 3/10, which is equal to 1/10. Sacrifice ratio is 1/10 and 1/10, so it is equal 1:1. So goodwill is to be distributed equally. Then revaluation profit. Revaluation account has not been prepared. Only two entries are there in revaluation account. 20,000 credit, 6,000 debit. So profit on revaluation is 20 minus 6, which is equal to 14,000, which is to be distributed to old partners in profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2. So revaluation profit 14,000 in the ratio 3:2. After doing all the adjustment, find out their combined capital. Combined capital of red and white after all adjustment is 2,13,800 plus 1,42,200, which is 3,56,000. Their new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. So what is their combined ratio? 5 plus 3 is 8. So for 8, capital is 3,56,000. For 2, it is how much? Why? Because new partner share is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. Combined capital is 3,56,000. For 8th share 3,56,000. For second share how much? 89,000. So he will bring 89,000 by bank 89,000. Now what is given after this is, we'll go back to question. It was decided that capital account of red and white would be adjusted on the basis of blue's capital by opening current account. His capital is 89,000. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. For second share 89,000. For fifth share is how much? That will be red's capital. And white's new capital will be for second share 89,000. Just now we have found out. For third share, white share is 3. How much? So it is 2,22,500 for red and 1,33,500 for white. Now if you write this two balance carried down, your capital account won't match the difference to be transferred to current account as given in the question. These differences will be either get transferred to current account or to loan account or to cash account or bank account as per instructions given in the question. So as per this question, the balancing figure will get transferred to current account and current account will be shown on the assets side as well as liabilities side on the balance sheet. Why? Because in case of red, 8,700 is on the credit side. In case of white, 8,700 is on the debit side. So accordingly, one figure you will find in assets and one figure you will find in liabilities side of the balance sheet. Now see, building, machinery, revalued figures, furniture, stock, revalued figures, debtors, cash, opening balance, plus brought in by new partner, plus 89,000, 1,11,000, current account 8,700, red, white and blue, these are their capital accounts, sundry creditors and current account of red. So one current account, see 8,700 will appear on the liability side and 8,700 white will appear on the assets side. This is how you are supposed to solve this question. So 12,000 is opening balance of cash, 10,000 is goodwill, 89,000 is his capital. That is how this cash account will be shown on the assets side. In this particular video, we have seen admission of a partner and adjustment regarding accumulated profits and losses or reserves and surplus with illustration, and adjustment regarding capital contribution of new partner and capital of existing partner with illustration. Thank you.